Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Rodriguez Pamasgari Channel, a Filipino o Zumataryo. So ngayong hapon na ito, tignan natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a monthly gabay for the month of February 2025 for the sign of Capricorn. So Capri, welcome sa my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasagap for today's video? Kaya kayang energy o kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Capricorn ng ating mga gilap. So guys, this reading is a journey din lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po, makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And notification bell for more videos update ko. Maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads, away pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages, advice sa inyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Capricorn. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Capricorn ng ating mga gilap? So guys, ito ngayon at bubulabugin natin ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay mo ang ating mga gilap. So guys, ito na. Angel Spirit, let's give me information po. The Six of Swords, the transition, no? There's something I'm moving away from the situation. Na unti-unti ka na makakalaya sa hindi magandang sitwasyon. Or there's something, an unhealthy environment, no? Paglaya sa mga toxicidad, no? Ibig sabihin makakalaya ka na for toxicities, for negativities. And this is something the high faces for a hidden agenda or hidden enemies. So may mga bagay dyan na nakatago, no? Or may mga bagay na hindi ka pa lubos na unawaan or nalalaman. There's something a mystery. There's something a secrets na maaaring malaman mo na with unexpected moments. So let's see. Additional messages. And because this is something the word card with a travel, success, no? There's a lot of transactions internationally, no? Maaaring makapag-travel ka, no? With an international additional messages. And because this is something the star card, a wish fulfillment. So may mga bagay na matutupad na, may mga bagay na may isa sa katuparan na, may mga hiniling ka na maaaring magtagumpay na, no? Ganon. There's a something recovery, no? And healing from the pain, for the burdens. And there's a chariot card for an action and movement, no? Unti-unti na magkakaroon ng mga pagbabago. There's something to joining force with the universe na maaring bibigyan ka ng pagkakataon makalaya at makawala sa hindi maganda sitwasyon. So let's see. What is additional messages? And there's a Knight of Swords. So some of you guys now, nagkakaroon ng sleepless nights. And because this is something anxieties, worries, overthinking, and being paranoid. No? Some of you guys, hindi makatulog gawa ng kung ano yung pumapasok sa isipan mo. So let's see what is the Six of Swords. Represent with a high fight for a lesson learned. So may mga bagay ka dapat matutunan. No? May mga bagay na kailangan mong pakakatandaan para hindi na maulit yung ikot ng kapalaran. No? May mga nangyari sa nakaraan na maaaring bumabalik-balik pa. No? There's something, a lesson learned. Kailangan mo matuto, no? Kaya paulit-ulit yan nangyayari kasi hindi ka nagpa-pay attention for mga synchronicities or signs. No? Kailangan mo na umalis dyan. What is the high priestess? Represent with the Six of Cups. There is something hidden secrets, no? With your ex, with your families, with your friends, no? There's something unexpected revealed na maaring malaman mo na. And this is something Empress card. No? There's something revert, a new beginning. No? Maaaring magkaroon ka ng bagong trabaho, bagong opportunities, no? And new job, new business ventures, no? About sa negosyo, trabaho, ano man yung mga finances na to, maaaring magkaroon ka ng panibagong eksena. No? There's something, take charge of your situations. Ganon. Unwind. Self-love, self-care. Ganon dapat. And this is a star card. Represent with a Knight of Cups, with an offer. Na maraming offer dito sa'yo. Na maaaring may mga bagay na matupad na. No? There's a promotion, proposal. Let's see what is a Chariot card. Represent what? So this is the Ace of Cups. May parating na pag-ibig. If you were being singles. No? Maaaring ito na yung taong para sa'yo, na maaaring makilala mo na siya. If you are a single. If you are being taken, maaaring ito na yung taong hinintay mo. Dumating na. What is the Knight of Swords? The Knight of Swords represent what? Ten of Swords. So this is something as sabotage, no? May sumasabotahin sa'yo kaya hindi ka makatulog. Ay, ibig sabihin maraming tumatakbo sa utak mo or either may gumugulo sa utak mo. So let's see, guys. What is the initial messages with the Six of Swords because the Hierophant? So this is the Four of Pentacles for saving money. No? Kumbaga may mga bagay na kailangan umalis dyan sa lugar na yan kasi mabigat. No? Mabigat daw ang location mo, mabigat daw ang position ng it's either bahay mo or negosyo mo. What is the High Priestess and the Six of Cups? Represent what? So this is something the lovers. Ay, ibig sabihin dito may hidden agenda, mayroon something daw na ginagawa about sa'yo with the family-related at pamilya ng asawa mo. Ay. See, what is the word card? Because the Empress card. So this is everything is fine. So parang feeling mo, okay naman. Parang feeling mo, mag-work naman. Pero eventually, lahat na nangyayari sa'yo about sa love life or about dyan sa eksena career mo ay hindi natutuloy. Bakit? May humaharang. Ganon. What is the Star card and the Knight of Cups? Represent the Two of Pentacles. So there's something balance. Na maging balance ka. No? Kumbaga, kailangan positive and negative. Alamin mo kung ano yung mahatak na negativity. Solusyonan mo yon, no? So let's see what is the chart card because the Ace of Cups. So this is something and the Queen of Wands. So this is something ang movement, no? Kumbaga, unti-unti na rin magbabago. No? Kailangan mo lang lakasan ng loob mo. Maging matapang ka. There's a Knight of Swords because the Ten of Swords. Represent with the Seven Pentacles. Wow. Harvest moment. So, this is just something of consequences, no? Kung ano man yung mga bagay na ginawa mo before. No? May mga bagay na it's either nagtanim ka, nag-iba ka, nag-ipon ka, no? Kumbaga nagkaroon ng sabotage dito dahil yung pinagpaguran mo maaaring nabaliwala, no? Dahil kumbaga nauubos na siya unti-unti. Bakit? There is a sabotage na may sumasabotahe sa'yo para puro palabas na lahat ng eksena. What is the additional messages for the outcome? So this is the Knight of Pentacles. Knight of Pentacles represents the security. Maging secure ka about sa finances. And this is something King of Pentacles for practicality. So kailangan balance ka, no? Physically, emotional, mentally. And of course, malaking factor about sa finances. No? Kailangan, there's a Two of Wands by choices. No? Piliin mo yung mga bagay na pagkakagastusan mo. Piliin mo yung mga bagay na alam mo magsiserve sa'yo. Ganon. So let's see. Additional messages about sa finances and career. And there's a Page of Wands by good news. Ay, may magandang balita. There is something, a good opportunities. And there's a Knight of Swords with the success driver, no? Kung maaaring magtagumpay ka pagdating sa business industry, na maaaring magkaroon ka ng mga impormasyon, na maaaring tumugma sa kung ano ba talaga kagustuhan or passion mo, no? Well, let's see what one more card. And there's a judgment for a wake-up call. Now, this is something, a red flag at the same time. Na may paalala sa iyo na you need to pay attention about just sa negosyo at buhay mo. Stand your ground, no? Control. No? Hindi kailangan i-manage mo yung about sa business mo. Business is business. Walang family, walang kahit na sino dyan. Business is business. And because this is something the magician. See? Control and manifestation. May mga bagay na unti-unti ka ma-manifest. No? Kung ano kagustuhan mo, maaaring may sa kataparan mo. Dapat on hand ka dito. So, let's see what is additional messages about sa love life. So, love life, there's a Page of Cups, something and intuitions, and the Devil card, sorry. May gumagawa dito ha, gayuma, oh my God. May gumagayuma sa person mo, na maaring ginugulo yung utak mo, or either you, na maaring ginugulo ka dito, no? Maaring maraming tumatakbo sa isip yung dalawa. No? Pag nagtatabi kayo, nagsasama kayo, nagpares kayong mainit ang dugo nyo sa isa't isa. So, let's see. What is additional messages? About naman tayo sa health. About sa health, there's a Five of Wands by complication. Oh, mayroon talagang gumawa ng eksena sa'yo para magkaroon ng mga komplikasyon. No, and this is something, the Sun card. Maliliwalagan ka, nalaman mo na, oh. Nalaman mo na kung ano talaga yung pinanggagalingan ng sakit mo. So, let's see. What is additional messages? No, with an angel spirit for magical fairy messages. Represent what? Magical fairy messages represent whom do you need to forgive. No, sino yung mga bagay na kailangan mong patawahan o may mga bagay na kailangan mong bitawan at pakawalan. Ay, ibig sabihin yun yung mga dati ng galit, puot, or may taong may galit sa'yo. No? Na meron ditong may ngit-ngit at galit. And there's a spiritual teacher. Kailangan mo na albularyo, tutulungan ka. Spiritual teacher is a guidance. Ano ka sa trainer. No? Meron talagang taong kailangan tumulong sa'yo. No? May gumawa sa'yo ng hindi maganda dito by spirituality. So, let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. What is the yin and yang oracle card? Represent what? I told you, there's toxic patterns. Diba? Napapalibutan ka ng toxic. And there's a distance. Kailangan mo dumistansya, magpakalayo-layo at magtantan. And there's a revert. No? Dito babalik ang sigla, ganda ng iyong kalusugan. And there is a loss. No? Kailangan mong marunong ka mag-reject, no? Pakawalan at tigilan. And this is something an action. Kailangan mo ng movement. Or something an actions. Decisions. What is the synchronicities represent what? For synchronicities represent what? Represent a rebel and storm. Ay, may gumagawa talaga rebel dito, gumagante or may gumawa ng eksena sa iyo talaga. Now, there's a storm. Ibig sabihin, may unos, no? Mayroong susubukan kang bayuhin dito ng eksena kung kaya mo ba. And this is something lost, no? Unting-unting aalisin sa lahat. Kaya pala minamalas ka sa negosyo, trabaho ka na buhay mo. No? Even sa love life, aalisin sa lahat. Malaki ng inggit nito at galit, ha? In fairness. So, let's see what is Romance Ages for a Mystic Love Oracle Death. And there's something insecurities. I told you, di ba, insecure? Di ba, may mga insecure dito or may mga insecurities ka na kailangan pakawalan. Now, there's something self-esteem. Kailangan malakas ang loob, matapang ka kung ano man yung mga bagay na meron ka, kailangan mahalin mo even your flaws. Di ba? And this is something, a divine timing. So, this is the moment na para malaman mo ang totoo, katotohanan sa likod ng mga bagay o kaguluhan na nangyari sa buhay. For Archangel Michael messages. Archangel Michael messages is the lean on God and angel support. Now, ginagabayan ka ng ating Panginoon at ating mga gabay. And this is something self-respect. Kailangan mo rin ng respeto sa sarili mo. At the same time, make commitment. See, di ba, mag-commit ka. Kung talagang gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, ilaban mo. For a Monsology, represent what? And there's something, your commitment is being tested. Na pagdating sa relasyon, subok na kayo eh. And nothing is yet set in stone. May mga bagay na hindi pa napapanahon. Na may mga bagay na kailangan mo munang maghintay ng perfect timing. What is the energy? Represent what? The energy represented the temple of path. Oh, discoveries. No? May mga bagay na unti-unti ka na madi-discover. And because this is something, an information with an action, a movement. No? May paggalaw ng baso. No? Kumbaga unti-unti nang magkakaroon ng pagbabago. Na kailangan maganda ka. And there's something for additional messages for the chakra. For the chakra messages. And there's the perceptions. Ay, baguhin mo na yung mindset mo, even your perspective. No? Maliliwanagan ka na. Unti-unti nang lumiliwanag ang isip mo. And there's a guilt. May galit talaga sa'yo. Diba? Una pa lang sinasabi ko na may nagre-rebelde, may gumawa talaga ng ano sa'yo. And there's a something see, I told you, diba? Hinaharang. Di ba, inaarang niya lahat ng mga transactions. No? Lahat ng mga bagay na yan, kahit na yung iniinom mong gamot, hinaharang nito. Additional messages. And this is something nefarious. Environment. Ay, nasa paligid mo nga ang gumagawa. And there is a balance. So, kailangan mo maging balance. Emotional, physical, and mental. And there is something teacher and guardian. Mayroon gabay na tumutulong sa'yo, ha? May nagbabantay sa'yo. What is the romance angels for a mystic love oracle deck? Represent what? And there's an express your love. Ipakita mo talaga kung ano yung pag-ibig mo. And there's a new love coming in for you. May bagong pag-ibig. O maaaring ibalik ang kilig. What is additional messages with an angel's spirit? And there's a speaker o something orasyon. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Diba? May gumawa talaga ng palipadangin dito or gayuma. And there's a something healer. O, kailangan mo na maggagamot. Sabi ko na eh. Diba? Ang galing. Power! So, let's see what is Arcangel Raphael messages. Arcangel Raphael messages represent a second opinion. O, diba? Nagpatingin ka na sa iba. Kailangan mo na lang ulit magpatingin pa ulit sa iba. Kasi, may mga bagay na hindi kaya ng range ng pinuntahan mo. Ganun siya. No? Kumbaga, alam niya siguro yung papupuntahan mo kaya na-detect. So, kailangan mo ng second opinion, no? If you're, kumbaga, if you're on that position na nagpapagamot ka na by medication, so kailangan mo ng second opinion by spiritual guidance, like an albularyo, no? And this is something forgiveness, no? And heals. Unti-unti nang gagaling yan. No? Kailangan mo ng kapatawaran. Hindi para sa kanila, para sa sarili mo. Additional messages. And this is of the Mintaka. Seeing potential. Malaking potential daw. Na malaki ang potential na may something na kakaibat sa nararamdaman mo. And this is something important. No, may open portal din sa inyong tahanan. No, na nakaka-create ng negativities and negative aura. So let's see what is the angel's answer. Represent what? An angel's answer represents a communication clearly. So, kailangan mo makipag-communicate na maayos. And no need to worry, hindi mo kailangan mangamba. Dahil, the situation will improve. Nagbabago ng sitwasyon. Huwag kang mag-alala. For Jesus' loving quote said. For Jesus' loving quote said, pray always. So, kailangan mo magdasal palagi. Diba? Kailangan mo lumapit sa ating Panginoon sa kung ano man naman yung nangyayari sa'yo, no? Kailangan mong isurrender sa Kanya at gawin mong sentro ang ating Panginoon sa lahat na nangyayari sa buhay mo. No? Don't lose faith. So, ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mataas ang pananampalataya mo. For angels number, represent what? 1313, I told you, a cycle, sistema. Ganon. Ibig sabihin na sa paligid mo lang. And there is a karma will of paying a visit. Release that need to control because you cannot force things. Learn your lessons so that they don't repeat it again in the future. Make some space for new experiences. So, kung ayaw mo umaulit-ulit, matuto ka sa mga pagkakamali mo. Diba? May mga nangyari sa nakaraan na paulit-ulit kasi hindi ka pa rin nagpay attention. Diba? Ang kulit talaga ng puyo mo. Ganon. What is the messages of life? Represent what? The path of the light. So, di ba? Ito na. Kumaga, nakikita mo na at nasa road ka na ng kaliwanagan. So, unti-unti na naliliwanagan sa lahat na nangyayari sa iyo sa kasalukuyan. No? Life places the perfect people and situation on my path to help me and advance on a journey on the inner growth. I possess the courage I need to progress despite any obstacles I might meet and study my experiences, seeking the wisdom they have to offer. In this way, I improve from day to day. Today, I choose to grow in faith. I am confident that at the end of the road, I will join in the light. So, alam mo sa sarili mo, ano man yung mga pinagdadaanan mo na nakikita mo yung sarili mo sa kadiliman, pero huwag ka mag-alala. Makikita mo ang liwanag pagkatapos niyan. About the darkness, maaaring makita mo na yung liwanag soon. Ganon. Maaaring nasa kadiliman o madilim pa yung sitwasyon mo, pero unti-unti rin niya magliliwanag, kaya maghanda ka. Ganun yun, ha? Matuto ka na. So guys, this is a monthly gabay for the month of February 2025 for the sign of Capricorn. So Capricorn, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So once again, this reading is a reading lamang hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kung hindi lamang pa makaka-relate sa inyo, and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And hit notification bell for more videos update ko. Sa maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng adsaway pagpalay kayo ng Diyos at may kapal. Siksik-liglig na gumapaw na biyayang man ang balik sa inyo. Maraming salamat. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush.